Got a job of the day. This Airtow dump trailer and drop deck trailer lost a bearing. I'm gonna do bearings on everything that needs a new hub and a new backing plate on the rear, and I'm gonna check all the systems. Let's get to it. And backing plate coming on. Looks like they put Loctite on these, so Loctite those back on. Cutter key. Let's see if this will come off with hand power. No. WD-40. Let's get that thing off. Whew, that thing was on there. Spindles are good though. Let's get these inner bearings off. I don't think I can get this. Oh, yeah, let's see if I can get this off. Hammer. It's cut off wheel time. Let's do it. Man, this thing got hot. There we go. Washer's off. Got it. Sweet. Spindle scored a little bit, but nothing that the inner bearing can't handle. Good, now let's get all this cleaned up. We don't have a chaser handle, so good. Let's back her off. Perfect. All right, let's get a backing plate on there, wire it up, and then get a hub on there. I'm threading in the bolts. They are Loctited. Good. Wonder if I can get to that wiring. I can. Okay. I can get wiring, so let's get this tightened on. Good. Tight, tight, Loctited. Let's wire in these brakes. Backing plate on. New hub going on. Darn. Are you f***ing me? Come off. Oh my f***ing God. How is that possible that it just gets stuck with one tap and then it takes an elephant to get it off? Holy mother of gosh. All right. Finally got it, so it slides on. Good, good. Spindle is good. All right, that was a pain in the ass, but I put a new bearing on the back end, new seal. Outer bearing was fine since I repacked it, or got a new bearing packed, but I had to change out the rear bearing because I damaged it trying to take it off. But we got it. And dust cap pounders on, cutter key on the rear passengers on. Brakes adjusted. Everything sounds great. Let's do the other three. Well, if all the brakes look like this, that's not gonna be good. Oh, hub is good. That's wild, because that magnet's screwed. Okay. New backing plate. I think that's why the other one failed. There's literally no grease in this. That's as much grease as there is in there. They probably packed the bearing and then put it on. That's wild. I'm surprised that lasted that long. New backing plate, front passenger side is going on. I Loctited the nut, or the bolts. On and installed, and I did wire in the backing plate. I just need to shrink wrap it. Well, let's get this hub on. Hub is on. Washer, castle nut, tight, back off of Constellation, spinning, and castle or cotter key is on. Dust cap going on. Good, I got marker lights on. Front passenger is good. Rear is good. Let's do left turn. Left turn is on and good. Right turn is on and good. Back to marker lights. Good, good. License plate lights on as well. Front driver is on. Let's see. Front free spinning. Rear free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Battery is low. Use my brake force tester. Brakes are on. Rear locked up. Front locked up. Good. Brakes are off. Rear free spinning. Front free spinning. Perfect. And shrinking butt connectors. Good. Good. Passenger side done. Let's get these tires on. Okay, passenger side done. New hub on the rear, new backing plate on the rear, new backing plate on the front, and the hub is fine, but new bearings. All right, magnet driver side front is also toasted. Just fell out when I took the hub off. Haven't checked the hub, but it should be okay. Yeah, hub's okay. Good, let's take the rear off. Cotter key coming out. Okay, cotter key off. Castle nut's coming off. And magnet is bad as well. Okay, it's coming off too. Two new backing plates going on driver's side. Bolts are blue Loctited. One on, two on, and last one threading on. Tight, 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 and tight. My camera overheated, but I got backing plates on. Both are shrunk wrap. I'm gonna pack hubs now. Castle nuts on, free spinning. I need to adjust the brakes on this one. Good. Front Cotter key installed for driver's side. And front driver's side dust cap. Good. I'll adjust those brakes. Let's put the rear one on. And rear driver's side going on. Hand tight. Back off one constellation. Cotter key. Bend over. Hammer flat. Driver's side rear is on. Dust cap on. Let's get these adjusted. And brakes adjusted. And brakes on the rear adjusted. Where'd that go? There it is. Good. Rear good. Front good. Let's check to see if they're make sure they're wired correctly. Brakes on. Front locked up. Rear locked up. Free spinning. Free spinning. Perfect. All right, we got driver's side ready to go. I'm gonna lift these heavy ass tires onto the hubs. Driver's side on. Free spinning. Free spinning. Now let's I need to change the battery out on the front, and I want to weld the back corner that I saw a broken weld. Take this battery out, go to O'Reilly, get a new one. It is charging, yeah. Yeah, because it was dead. Okay. And that's nasty. You can just keep it as a spare, I guess. Or you're going to take... I'm going to do it for the core charge. Okay. Yeah. Cleaning corrosion. Good, there's one more power. Good.
Says if everything's good with it, he'll pick it up in the morning and take it up the job site.
Oh, good. It should be good. We'll test it right now. Battery going on. We got deck up, down. Let's see if I know how to operate this thing. There we go. Deck all the way down. Up and down. Yeah, it'll bleed itself out going up and down. But it might, it wouldn't hurt to throw a little more fluid in there.
Right.
Good. Do you have any? Be hydraulic fluid or ATF. I gotta see if it's red or not.
We did like
ATF.
It's a little bit low on hydraulic fluid.
It needs to be ATF. All right, I need torque lug nuts, but doing the rundown. All new backing plates, one new hub on the rear, all bearings. Put a new battery in, tested everything, goes up and down. I have a note to weld that up when I come back, but they can use it now. And torquing lug nuts. Driver's side front first. Front's done. Rear driver done. Rear passenger done. Front passenger done.